Hello everyone, my name is Devkumar Mitra. I am from Civil Engineering Department of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. So today we are discuss about the wastewater treatment plant. Uh, in this lecture, I want to tell you the step-by-step process of wastewater treatment plant. So there are 7 steps of wastewater treatment plant. The first is the screening and the pumping of wastewater, raw water. Uh, and the second one is grit removal. And then third is aeration. And next is primary setting, means sedimentation. Primary setting means sedimentation of wastewater. And then next is the filtration of the wastewater, and next 6 number is disinfection, and then oxygen uptake in the wastewater, and last release this water to river, soil, anywhere. Uh, and we are see the diagram of the wastewater treatment plant. First of all, we are take the water from anywhere, raw water from take anywhere raw water, and transfer to screening bars. Screening bar. The work of screening bar to remove the heavy particle of waste include this water, and the screening. After this screening, the water is transferred to the grid chamber, and the grid is settled down for some time, and the grids are disposed, and this water is transferred to the primary setting tank, means sedimentation tank. The process of the sedimentation tank, and the sedimentation process is waste includes in water. The waste is settled down to the down portion, and the waste is transferred to the sludge pipe, and remove this portion, the waste from the sewage. And this water is done after the sedimentation process. This water is transferred to the aeration tank. The down portion of aeration tank is attached to the air compressor to the release of to the produce bubbles in this water, and to release the harmful gases in this water. After the aeration tank, this water is transferred to the secondary setting tank. This also called is sedimentation tank. The process of primary setting and the secondary setting tank is also same, and then the secondary setting tank, the small particle of waste is settled down to the down portion, and this convert into sludge. This sludge is come in the return sludge pump. This from this pipe return sludge pump, and the return release to aeration tank. And this the process of aeration tank will be same here, and this what after repeat the secondary setting and the primary setting tank, the water is going to the disinfection for the presence in bacteria in this water. To kill this bacteria, we are added to disinfection in this water. After the treatment of water, after the treatment of water, we are discharged to surface. We we are discharged to the surface of water, to the river and used for factories anywhere. So my lecture is over. Thank you so much.